Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I am Lisa Gregory. I make beauty, fashion, lifestyle and vlog kind of videos, and if you have come here from the Louis Vuitton video, hello, thanks for coming back. If you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button to join the family. So if you didn't just see me unbox this one, I will link that below for you and above by here, so go and watch that after you've watched this one. But today we are going to unbox this one here. And I have two Gucci items for you today. I'm going to start with the smaller of the two, beautifully wrapped in ribbon as always. And as you can see in here, I have already taken it off and used these things. But this is something I have been looking at on Instagram for the longest time and thought I would never ever get one. But to be honest with you, fell for it as soon as I saw it in the store. So inside the box then we have got the beautiful pouch or dust bag, whatever you want to say, and if you just came from the last video you know how I feel about dust bags. This is a beautiful little pouch which again I would love to use for like some jewellery or things like that, but I really want to keep it clean. I might just see if you could like order extra ones of these just to use for those purposes. We've got the receipts then that come in their own little cases, and I've kept the ribbon all nicely folded now, ready to keep inside the box. I have gone for the Gucci Double G belt. Now in store I saw this and thought, oh, that's a nice size, but what I've seen everybody else wear is the really large Gucci. But when I saw that in the store, it was quite big, and I'm not really like a statement piece person, so I couldn't imagine myself with like a normal pair of jeans wearing this massive double G gold buckle. And I know loads of people like that and that it suits everybody else, but for me I didn't think it wouldn't be money well spent. I wouldn't end up wearing it every day. So I've gone for the classic double G, and I've gone for the smallest size. I nearly went for the medium size, which apparently is a men's belt. The woman did say to me that, oh, I'll have a check for your size. When these come in like the small waist sizes, they usually go pretty quickly out of stock, and it wasn't there. But to be honest with you, I'm glad, because I've gone for the small one. I've worn this loads already. I've worn this with my jeans. It's just that little simple something right in front of you, and the size that I've gone for is perfect because the smallest hole fits me right around my waist. So if I've got a nice dress on or something that I want to cinch in at the waist, then I've got that smallest hole there. And the biggest hole at the moment, guys, I'm gonna lose weight, I promise, fits me right around my hips then, so I can wear that with jeans and things like that. I am wondering if anybody knows about this, if I do end up losing weight and my waist gets smaller, is there anywhere that would make a decent hole? Because I've done the old DIY job with the scissors in other belts before, but with this I don't want to mess this up, obviously. So if I did need to make additional holes, is there somewhere that would do that for me without having like the white of the underneath of the belt to show? Maybe this is a thing with normal belts that I just haven't seen before. Is this that keeps that first loop in place, which I think is quite genius, to be honest with you. That is my beautiful belt, which I said I've worn loads already, and straight on to the next one. The next box that we have is a larger box, and again wrapped beautifully. And that's the thing when you get some luxury items, which I'm loving, is that they come just beautifully packaged. Lovely ribbon that I am keeping rolled nicely, and this one came with information on the material that it's made from and things like that. Again with another dust bag, and inside that dust bag we have got the Gucci Marmont. I can't say that word right now. That bag, guys. And I have gone for, have I gone for the medium or the small? I can't remember. The large was just too big for me and I just felt stupid putting it on my hip. It's just like, no, that's not gonna work. You may have seen my other bum bag, as we call them here, so like belt bag is actually called, that I got from ASOS, and I've worn that to death. So I'm glad that I tried that out first before actually purchasing something like this. So I knew that it was a style that I would continue to wear. I feel like this is one I'm gonna use mostly in winter as well, because I wear a lot of black in winter, an awful lot of black in winter, but absolutely in love with the design of this and with the little heart detail on the back, which I didn't know it had, to be honest with you. I am obsessed with two things on this, with the zip colour, with that sort of brushed, I don't even know what colour that is, blackish grey in here, which I love with the contrast against the gold. But the inside of this bag is to die for. I don't know why I'm so obsessed with the inside of this bag, but I am. It's so soft, and it's got a little pouch at the back for you here, and then inside then it's just got a large space there. I will say I have the iPhone 7 Plus, and this just fits inside. If I've got the cover on it, basically, it doesn't fit in. It would fit in if I forced it in, but I don't want to push the fabric out. I don't want to force the zip to go around anything too tight. So in here I can fit my card holder, my phone, my car keys and a lipstick comfortably without any stretch at all, which that is what I go out with most days. So that is absolutely a perfect size for me. I really wouldn't want to go bigger just because I don't think it would suit me. It's just the perfect size to fit on my hip. With this bag as well, I've seen people wear it on their hips, and I've also seen people wear this kind of like crossbody as well. And again, this is a bag that I've used so much already, and to be honest with you, I thought I'd come home and be sort of like, oh, I'll only use that for like a special occasion or something, because obviously it's a luxury purchase. I've surprised myself, and I've worn this quite a bit as well. Those are the two items that I have got from Gucci. I will link the Louis Vuitton video here for you. I will link my Chanel unboxing below once it is uploaded. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Really hope you have a lovely day. Please subscribe if you haven't already, because that really helps me out, especially if you give a little thumbs up for this video. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.